Welcome back to Venom Motorsports. So today what I want to show you how to do is how to check the stator on your motorcycle. You're going to need to get a battery tester, not a multimeter, that's not going to work, but an actual battery tester. And you can buy them inexpensive on Amazon. It doesn't have to be the best one on the market. Here, let's get set up here so we can take a look. So this one here, this is just one I got off Amazon. It's just a battery tester V311B. I don't even know who makes it. I'm pretty sure it's right out of China, but I really don't care as long as it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start my bike. Okay, and then I'm just going to hook up my negative cable. I've already got my positive hooked up. And then you're going to get a screen, something like this. You can check the battery, you can check the start, you can check the charge. But the thing is, this is set up more for a car. So I can check charge, but it's going to give a very low voltage rating. And it's nothing bad, it's doing what it's supposed to, it just isn't really set up for that. So what I want to do is I'm going to pop down the wave here, and I'm going to go OK. So now if we look at the wave here right now, and we look at the top of the screen, it's telling me what the max voltage output is right now, and when the bike is revving at normal revs, it's outputting right now about 13.6 to 13.8. Now if I rev that up, let it drop back down, you'll notice that it went up to max volts 14.8. so that's perfect. That's exactly what a stator should be outputting. As you get your revs up, anything over 2 grand, and it's giving 1400 or 14 volts, which is normal for a bike. You'll notice it's spiking up and down here. But that's a really good way to check your stator on your motorcycle. Like I said, we can go back over here, we can hit charge. But the thing with charge is you have to turn your headlights on for 3 seconds. This doesn't have headlights per se, but I can put the brights on with the 4 ways. 1, 2, 3. That's my time limit. Turn that off and then rev it up. 2500. Oh, I died. I think I'm running out of gas. Yeah, I'm running out of gas. Let it run for a sec. So we'll go back over to charge. And I'll rev it. Oh, I'm running out of gas. Yeah, I'm running out of gas and I'm just killing the battery. But there you go. So that's how you test your battery. Just like I said, go to wave, hit OK. Right now it's just sitting at 12 volts because the battery is just 12 volts, right? So it's going to sit there like that. We'll disconnect. Now, so that is the best way to test the stator. Like I said, you can use the charge system, but the charge system is set up more for a car. So it's going to show low voltage, but it will show it's charging and what it is charging, like 14.8, which is right around where it's supposed to be. So this bike is outputting and charging exactly the way it's supposed to on its battery. There's no problem with it. There's no issues with it. So that's, like I said, so that's what you want to do. So you want to, just like I said, a regular battery tester for a car battery. And these are great. They're good for motorcycles, ATVs, anything like that. Any sort of 12-volt battery system, they're great to have. So that, guys, is how you test the stator on your motorcycle.